Hello friends, welcome to my video. In this video I am going to review Ashok Leyland BOSS 1115 HB truck. The truck is powered by H series BS6 4-cylinder common rail diesel engine with iGen6 technology. The engine delivers out a maximum power of 150 bhp at 2400 revolutions per minute and peak torque of 450 Newton meters at 1250 revolutions per minute to 2000 revolutions per minute, paired to a 6-speed manual gearbox, and clutch is 330 mm diameter, single plate, dry type with clutch booster. The truck is available in different wheelbases such as 3340 mm, 3940 mm, 4540 mm and 4940 mm. Loading span offered are 4.3 meters, 5.2 meters, 6.1 meters and 6.7 meters. The gross vehicle weight of the truck is 11,120 kilograms. The truck comes with projected metallic bumper, curb mirror at top, 2 side mirrors on both doors, quarter glass, multi-reflected clear lens headlamps, Ashok Leyland signature front grille and logo.
Frame size include 200 mm length, 60 mm width and 5 mm height. Front suspension is parabolic leaf springs and rear suspension is semi-elliptical leaf spring. Braking duties are handled by full air dual line.
Parking brakes on rear wheels only. Front axle is forged dissection reverse Elliot type and rear axle is fully floating single speed rear axle, hypoid. Tires are 17.5-inch tubeless radials. Fuel tank capacity is 208 liters. AdBlue tank capacity is 24 liters. Battery is 12 watt 120 amp hour. BOSS 1115 comes equipped with advanced digital driver assist that helps the drivers improve their driving efficiency, performance and safety. Gear shift advisory system indicates to the driver the correct time to shift gear up and shift gear down. The instrument cluster shows instantaneous fuel economy and distance to empty. Reverse park alert systems assists in reverse driving and parking and alerts the driver with a large beep. Auto exhaust brake improves service brakes life and reliability by activating automatic exhaust braking during downhill operation. Other features include tilt and telescopic power steering, mobile phone charging socket, lockable glove box and music system. Projected metallic bumper, clear lens headlamps, sleeping provision in day cab, adequate ventilation, pedestrian view, superior cable shift mechanism for better driving comfort. iGen6 technology lowers the cost of operation and maintenance. With lower AdBlue consumption and compact design, iGen6 system lowers the cost of operation per ton kilometer, offering increased payload and low maintenance. The mid-NOx strategy ensures overall lower cost of ownership as compared to competition.